Hello. Hello. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So here I have to create a two instance block. Instance block 1 and the instance block 2. So here we have to create more than one instance block. So what it's happening, whichever one is first executor, so our instance block is executed. But here we have to create more than one instance block. Then it's executed the instance block from top to bottom. So the topmost instance block is executed at first. Then I have to create a 2 or parameterized constructor object. Then instance block 1 is executed. Then instance block 2 is executed. After that, 2 or constructor is executed. So this is the way we have to access. So first one is during the object creation, instance block is first executed. Instance block executed from top to bottom. After that, the constructor is executed. And the top to bottom, then second object creation, one arc parameterized constructor, instance block 1 and instance block 2 is executed, then one arc constructor is executed. Then two arc parameterized constructor object we have to create it, then instance block 1 and instance block 2 is executed, then two arc constructor is executed. So this is the way we have to access the instance block. Here, this is constructor. Which constructor is this? This is zero arc parameterized constructor. And this is one arc parameter. This is one arc parameterized constructor. And this is instance block. So zero arc parameterized constructor. This is zero arc parameterized constructor. This is one arc parameterized constructor. And this is instance block. So here I have to create an object. Which object I have to create? So I have to create the zero or parameterized constructor object. So what is happening? So during that object creation, the zero or parameterized constructor is executed. So the constructor first this of 10. So this of 10, what is this of 10? This of 10 means here we have to call the one arc parameterized constructor. This of 10, we have to call the one arc constructor. So in the one arc constructor is executed. So at first, before the constructor, what is happening? Before the constructor, at first instance block is executed. After that, the constructor is executed. The constructor first line this of 10. This of 10 means one arc constructor is executed, printed. After that, zero arc constructor is printed. So instance block, then one arc constructor and zero arc constructor. So here we have to create the two constructors, zero hour constructor and one hour constructor. Two constructor it's we have to create it, but we have to create only one object. We have to calling from one constructor to another one constructor by using this keyword. So at first during that object creation, the instance block is first executed. After that it executed the corresponding constructor. The constructor first line this of 10. This of 10 means the constructor is exit. So this of 10, this is one of parameterized constructor object. So the one of parameterized constructor is executed. Then zero of the constructor is executed. This is the result. So when the instance block is executed, before the constructor, the instance block is executed. Here, the instance block is also used to initialize the object. Here I have to create two variables, instance variable and static variables. Two variables I have to create. This is instance block, employee ID and salary. Variables I have to initialize. This is two variables. These two variables I have to initialize. And this is instance method. So what is here? I have to create an object. So here I have to create an object. What is happening during that object creation? The instance block is first executed. So inside the instance block, I have to initialize the variables employee ID and salary. These two variables I have to initialize. After that, I have to the constructor is executed. The constructor is default constructor. Default constructor is a zero or empty implementation constructor is a default constructor. So the but we are not get any result. Why? Because of it, nothing is there. The implementation, nothing is there. So here during that object creation, the instance block is first executed. Inside the instance block, I have to initialize the two way of the display method. We have to access the display method, employee ID and the salary. We have to get the values, employee ID and the salary. And here, this is the class. Inside the class, I have to create the instance variable. Inside the instance variable, I have to create local variable. So inside the this is instance block. So inside the instance block, I have to create the local variable. In this local variable, so inside the instance block, I have to create a variable. This variable is a local variable. Then I can access all these three variables, local variable, instance variable, and the static variable. All these three variables I can access. Then instance method and the static. These two methods, it's also I can access. So inside the instance block, I have to access all these three variables, local variable, instance variable, and static variable, and the two methods, instance method and the static method I can access. So this is constructor. Why it's constructor? Because of class name. This is class name, and this is method name. Class name and method name same. Class name, method name same. It's called the constructor. This is instance method. Why it's called instance method? Inside the class, outside the method, main method, I have to create a method. This method is an instance method. And this is static method. Why? Because of inside the class, outside the method, I have to create a method with static keyword. This method is a static method. At first, I have to create an object. I have to create a object inside the main method. I have to create an object. Here, I have to create an object in nameless approach created. Here, I have to create it using nameless approach object creation. I have to use so created an object. So during that object creation, what it's happening at first instance block is executed. So instance block inside instance block. This one is first printed. After that, the local variable is initialized. So then local variable, instance variable, and the static variable. These three variables are printed here. Instance block, local variable, instance variable, and the static variable. These three variables are printed. After that, instance method and the static. We have to access the instance method and the static method. It's printed. Instance method and the static method. After that, after completing this instance block, what is happening? The constructor is executed. So the constructor is printed here. So during that object creation, what is happening during that object creation? So during that object creation, first it's executed the instance block. After that, it executed the constructor. So this is for instance block. During that object creation, we have to create an object in two ways: named approach and nameless approach. So object creation way of approach is different, but functionality is the same only. During that object creation, instance block is first executed. Inside the instance block, we have to access all these three. The constructor is executed. What is constructor? Class name and the method name same. It's called constructor. Constructor, it's not allowed in. This is instance block. Okay. Then tomorrow we will start a static block. Okay. Yeah, only one person is today. It's not connect, right? That low case.
Yes, yes, sir.
Okay. Can you please share the recording files?
Okay, I will share it.
Thank you.